In front of me is Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to click on fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Then tap on screen lock here, tap on one of those locking methods, hit got it in the pop-up, and create your locking method. Repeat it to confirm it, hit confirm, and tap on add or cancel in this pop-up. So when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!